potato cultivation with ARC technology, right from apicals to G0 till 30. So we have made a comprehensive perspective plan. No, I'm not asking provision. No, actually, no. But somehow, sir, look here. What a project? Again, in the state-wise, how many projects we are going to cover? 48.
48 years. What is it?
What I said, 48. This project, so I think it will be half done. So we have got the project proposal for further extension under RTBY. Then also here, so she has visited number of times to the field, actual field where it is being executed, and also.
Term review meeting of ARC project in Tripura with the state government officials, scientists, and secretary, and we have the evidence for the success of this project from chief scientist of Department of Horticulture and RKBY team. And we are looking forward to continue this momentum till 2029-30 to make Tripura sustainable in seed potato production, not only seed potato production but also improving the productivity to close the yield gap and support the trade in the region. And with that, we are hopeful that the next phase of the project would continue. And I also want to thank the team here for the support, collaboration that they have given us to make this project successful. Thank you.
Thank you.
To have interactive session so that the loopholes or the shortcomings, whatever we faced, that will be taken care of.